On this episode.
Is your last name Fletcher?
No.
Okay.
Am I scaring you?
I put you to
Put the kinky stuff too, huh?
No, we're on the clock.
What? She didn't get nothing kinky.
Is it okay if I park right here to see your yard sale? Yeah, you can. Okay, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
How much is your bike?
150.
150? Oh. Is that the best that you could do on it?
Yeah, that's the best because my son, he said $200, but he said 150. Nobody's that one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You want to count it? Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, MsTaffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase out the new deals year round. It's a new day, and we're going to sell this bike. To be honest, I could have sold it for more, but I feel like in a given mood, and he don't have a car. This is going to be his transportation, so I figured let me just sell it and get rid of it. But of course, I'm going to take y'all with me. Shimmo! And it's cold outside. That's why I got the beanie on, so don't judge me. All right, Candy Crew, we're in a G-Wagon today. Let's go get this bike sold. The only thing I hate about driving this G-Wagon, y'all, it's hard for me to see. It don't have no back windows. Hi, you want the bike?
Yeah.
Sorry, the parking wasn't the best. All right, here, let me get it out. I took the front tire off because I couldn't get it in here.
You get it out?
Yes, I believe I can. Yeah, it fits the.
Okay. Sounds good. No pedal?
No pedals, no. But
wow.
you know, if this bike costs mucho.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Finally find my baby.
Yeah, that's good. All right, y'all. So we got that sale, $200 out the door, profit of $50. Let's continue chasing this money. Yeah, it's a new day, y'all, and it's sprinkling outside. How ironic. And guess what just sold on eBay? Mind you, it's fall right now, but it's raining in California. I just sold this fan, y'all. I paid $10 for it. If y'all missed that video, let me show y'all that clip right now. You got it. And you said 10 and it works? Yeah, it works. If you want to see it, I can plug it up for you. If you don't mind, please. Uh-oh, whoa. Yep. It sold for $150. But guess what? I don't have a box again. I'm tired of not having boxes. I'm tired. I save boxes and I still run out. But luckily I'm in my storage. I'm hoping I got my fingers crossed. We're about to find one in my storage. Come on. Y'all coming with me. Come on. Y'all coming with me and we're going to find a box. I'm not going to buy one. We're going to find one. Watch. Wait, where my keys at? Hold on. Seriously, how many of y'all save old boxes? I'm starting to think that's like the best thing to do. Save old boxes and recycle them. Because I'm tired of going to Home Depot already. It's just me and I got to go buy the boxes. It's all right. I'm not complaining. I'm forever grateful. But I'm just curious to see how you guys run y'all business. But let's get this box. Welp, that sucked. I didn't have a box. All right. Home Depot, Here we come. That's my song. It's a little raunchy though. It's a little raunchy. All right, let's drop off this fan at FedEx. Hey, it's a new day and we at the post office about to ship out an order. This is why I tell you guys it's so important to tell people what you do. My friend gave me these and I listed them on Facebook Marketplace and they sold for 35 bucks. So let's get them shipped out. Alright y'all, so I remember finding a VHS here. I bought it for 50 cents and sold it for 100 and I decided to come back. Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Alright, Candy Crew, so we got that one VHS tape from Desert Industries. I'm almost pretty sure I could get around 20 to 30 bucks for that. The grind don't stop though. Kind of late. I will. Hello.
Don't you ever pull up in a better looking Prius than
Yeah,
mine?
he's like, I love her rim. She's got red in there.
Oh.
I'm like, wait, is that your car? He's like, no.
Literally have the same.
Thank you. I love it. I love it.
What kind of brakes are those?
I just had them painted.
Okay.
Yeah, this guy just came and painted them red for me.
I'm about to do that. 'Cause I
Yeah,
can
it makes it look dope, huh?
get- Yeah, I was like,
Yeah, you're pulling up. He's like, what?
I'm gonna do my like gray.
Why does your car look better than mine?
It does. Mine's beat up. I need to get a car wash.
Because
too.
you're beat up. Look at you.
Oh,
Yeah.
What's your beard? You haven't even shaved.
Yeah. It's November. No shave
Oh,
November.
that's right. I don't have to shave my legs this whole month.
Yeah.
Damn, why did I do that just yesterday?
Well, we just started like slowly putting stuff away.
and I'm kind of late. I started kind of late today.
You're good. You don't have to crowd anymore.
You said there's more stuff where over here? Oh,
Oh, yeah, here too.
okay.
It's like a little box of stuff.
Question: do you guys know if these speakers work or?
I want to say they do.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, no, I'll have to wait, ask for more.
Okay, how much were you asking for them?
They're probably $1. Selling it for the low.
Okay.
See if they work.
Okay. What is this?
It's a Wii. You just have to get the power cord and stuff. They probably sell it online. But the system's this whole system's worth a lot.
How much are you asking?
I think she said they like $20 or whatever.
With the Wii, I was selling it for 10 because there's no power supply. You have to get that, and you also have to get the little thing. Is your last name Fletcher? It's not.
No.
Okay, good. Okay, so you also,
What? I'm like, wait.
I was looking like, do I know her?
No.
Okay, so you also have to get the little. I'll even let it go for $5 at the end of the day. You have to get the little reading bar for these little guys,
Okay.
and then the power supply.
Sensor. Or you can get this.
And these just regular batteries going on.
Okay.
You probably just get controllers too.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a little power right here,
Yeah.
if that's okay.
You make your control.
Thank you.
And then that.
And those speakers do work. They're just-
Okay.
I don't know how many people like.
I want to stand underneath
Jason, you're in nap time.
I'm not in that time.
Yes, you are. He's on nap time and he's not out of bed.
Am I scaring you?
I put you to bed.
That's my one and only day off. I'm good.
Her car's better than Brian.
Yeah, look at her cars.
That's my dad's name, Brian.
Yeah, I said, don't you ever come over here in a better looking Prius.
But she's in already, huh?
I know. That's
Hers all clean too, dirty.
yeah, that's a joke. It's a joke.
You guys are funny. I'm glad I stopped by.
Yeah, apparently we have a lot of other people having.
Oh, we have these last batch cracking.
For real?
We're like,
Yeah, they're
you should put
dying.
a comedy sign above your door.
Yeah,
like,
it should be a comedy
free
yard
of the
sale.
day, you know, Gucci shoes on and this shirt and that. And he's like, yeah. And you guys got this on? They're like, yeah, it's all from the Goodwill.
Hey, ain't nothing wrong with Goodwill.
Oh, what's it? He's like, but then my son's like, yeah, that's why you're here, you know?
Yeah.
Those are awesome little, for
Yes.
anybody that works on cars or gets dirty,
Oh.
paint,
I probably
anything.
make people stop though. They see what I'm wearing. They're like, oh, they probably got some shit over there.
Oh,
That's why I said thanks
it's in
for
the
telling
bags
me.
in my car, huh? I should just put all that shit out. I have people here all day.
Yeah, selling it for quarters. Oh,
Cream and all that stuff.
I would have killed
Your
you.
Gucci shoes.
Ooh.
These red
Son kills
bottoms.
mother for selling all his expensive clothes for dollars.
Sold my red bottom shoes for $2 shoe with the
me
fucking
see.
red
I'm still traumatized from my bike you sold for like.
I know.
What kind of bike was it?
It was a custom bike that I've had for my whole life that her
But
her
at
childhood,
girl, at the same time,
her friend gave.
months later, she was on TV. Where's the lady for her bed?
Okay, I think that's it.
What are you thinking, girl? I'm thinking like 15 whole pile. The wheel and everything.
She got all the good stuff. She got my welding helmet.
I know.
She got my Puerto Rico shirt.
10 bucks.
$10? Okay.
Hey, no, you're good.
Thank you.
10 bucks. She still got to buy the power
you're
supply.
Thank you.
Haley, newspaper? And a bag.
Oh, she got the
I'll
kink-
wrap it up.
she got the kinky stuff too, huh?
No, we're on the clock.
What? She didn't get nothing kinky.
I said, hold up, wait a minute.
What, the welding helmet? What?
The welding helmet and
What's
that.
cool about this though is it was. Oh, that's not that one. The other one
I'm
was
totally
made in New
teasing you.
Orleans.
You're awesome, girl.
Thank you.
She's like,
I've been
"Alright."
drinking since like
Yeah, that's why it's not
8
time.
a.m.
Go to bed.
I'm a little buzzed. So I'm
Oh, no, I didn't get this.
Oh, I thought
Oh,
you
you
did.
didn't
Oh,
get
doesn't matter.
No.
$10. We said.
Okay,
sure you
thank
want
you.
it?
Okay, well, thank you guys giving it away. Thank you. Appreciate it. You guys are the best. Merry Christmas to me.
Santa should have wrapped it.
Wait, I thought it was Thanksgiving.
Oh, my bad. I skipped the holiday.
Right? Everybody does that.
Yes.
Halloween and Thanksgiving always get skipped. I just don't have to carry all this.
Thank you.
Hey, don't fuck up my chairs.
Stop it. Stop it.
You guys have a great weekend. Happy Thanksgiving.
She's like, I need
Thank
the
you.
hell out of here.
No, you guys are fine.
Look, I'm stuck.
Made me laugh. All right.
Thank you. You have a good one.
You too. Wow is all I'm going to say about that sale. You guys, it's 4:06. Let me show you. Wait a minute. It's 4:06 p.m. Let me pull over. It's 4:06 p.m., y'all. Can y'all see that? 4:06 p.m. And they had all that stuff there. 4:06 p.m. When I tell y'all timing is everything, is y'all timing? I got the Wii for $5. I got all this stuff for $10. This $10 is gonna turn into a lot of money. But I'm gonna give y'all a breakdown once I get to the house. All right, Candy Crew, we made it back to the house. I'm about to show you everything that I got and what it goes for. All right, so the first thing I got, Candy Crew, was this VHS tape. I showed y'all that earlier. Now, at that yard sale, listen, y'all, those people were hilarious. But I got these CDs for in case if I get like any kind of loose disc that needed protection, I'll have these. These speakers, I should be able to get around $30 for these. I've seen several listings with high cost of shipping and low cost of items. So I'm just gonna put mine at 30 plus shipping. All right, y'all, then we got this welding helmet. I should be able to get like $25 for it. I'm gonna put it on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace. Then I got this Craftsman suit. What is it called? A cover up? Not a cover up. It's called something. A pullover. Or y'all, I'm having a moment. So whenever I see a Harley Davidson tee, I have to snag that. I got this Harley Davidson 2008 long sleeve. The graphics are sick on the back. It's original Harley Davidson merch. This is size large. It's like $20. I might take it to the flea market with me, or I might list it on OfferUp, Posh, or Depop. But I'm pretty sure I could get $20 for this. Let me see what else. And then they gave me some other items. I seen these on eBay for like $10 each. They gave me these guys, like 3 pieces for free. And then, y'all, the money maker. And did y'all hear me when I said, what's this? I knew exactly what it was, but I don't know, that always works for me. When I act like I don't know what something is and I want it, they just give it to me for the cost of nothing, basically. So, It has no power cord or anything. So I'm hoping it works, but I'm gonna take it back to my spot. We're gonna have them test it out. And I'm gonna show y'all that, of course. But even for $5, y'all, cannot beat that. And then it came with the remotes. Y'all, it's missing the back piece, but still 2 remotes and some cords. All right, Candy Crew, we're here at Cali Games in Hawthorne, California. If you guys are in the area, make sure you come by and check them out. Let's see if this weed work. Come on. That keeps us reaching out for more. Sure that Hi, I'm trying to see if this works.
Do you need the cables too for it or just the box? To check.
I don't know. I don't know if it works, so.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see the entrance of it is kind of messed up. Like right here, the little white part, it's probably protruding out and it's not letting the disc go in. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
So it's broken. Probably, yeah, and it just spit it out. Yeah, so the disk drive has an issue on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dang it.
Sorry about that.
Thank you. So, as you guys saw, it doesn't work. So I'm gonna list it for parts and see how much I can get. All right, Candy Crew, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I need y'all to do me a favor, give this video a good thumbs up and turn on that bell so y'all know every time I post, y'all get notified, okay? Until the next video, keep hustling, staying positive, TTYL.
Girl, shake that, love it, love it.